We are at the last example of section 8.6 and furthermore the last example of all of chapter 8. So what we are going to do here is find angle measures related to linear pairs. So we have two angles that form a linear pair, and it says the measure of one angle is 5 times the measure of the other. So find the measure of each angle. Now, this can be made a little bit easier if we try to actually draw a picture of this. So what I'm going to draw is a linear pair of angles. So a linear pair of angles, as we learned in the last video, are two angles whose non-common rays are opposite rays. So what I am going to do is I'm going to kind of do the best I can to draw this. So I've got a straight line, or a straight angle if you will, and I have a raised as I said, we know that the ray wasn't going straight up perpendicular to this line. The reason for that is because I know it says one angle is 5 times the measure of the other. So angles are not equal. So let's say that I know the measure of one angle is 5 times the measure of the other. So the deal here is I don't know how big either angle